Hi guys, Vlad here, and today another day, and today we have another beautiful tea. So this tea look like this one, and this is raw puer from the ancient trees. Yeah, it's kind of the interesting one. I hope so. I hope that I finally find my favorite raw puer. And you know why it's so why it's so puer tea from the ancient tree is kind of the more expensive because it's the as older tree that's it's better the tea leaves because you know a lot of micro elements inside this tea leaves, and this tea from the 2020 2023, yeah, you see. So it's mean that 3 years from now, yeah, and it's 6 grams, and it's look like this one here. Ancient tree, and yeah, we will see how it's look like, how it's feel, how it taste, and how it smell. And oh my god, the press is really hard. It's really hard to press, and you see it's a lot of the tea leaves inside it, and because of this hard press, I need maybe some more time to open this tea, you know, to wake up this tea. Maybe or close to, I don't know. Let's start from the 30 or 40 seconds and we will see how it will goes. Yeah. And it's from the 2022 or 3. It's from 2020 2023. Yeah. It's from the April 2023. It's April. It's some of the spring tea, I believe. And I hope the quality of this tea will be good enough. Not like, and we find any difference. And for now, you see how it's like how it looks. So it's maybe we will wait. So we will wait for now about 1 minute. So throw the dust and some of the garbage from this tea, and I hope so. I hope that, and you see that tea have a lot of the tea leaves inside it, and it's as whole tea leaves, not, but now it's not good enough to see everything, but I see some sticks, some tea leaves, but we will see how it tastes. For the first brew, I will waiting close to, I don't know, close to 15 seconds, maybe it's good. And you know, if first time you don't like this tea, try to experiment with it, you know, try to different time, different temperature of the water, try to different exposure time, and maybe you find the good combination for you, which is fit only for you, and you feel a lot of this tea. Yeah, so you see here a lot of the leaves and how it smells. So it smells like Puer, and maybe the smells kind of the little bit deep, but just a little bit, just the tiny difference that other Puer, which I tasted several days ago. But you see, maybe because of this is the first brew, the water is does not have any color. Interesting that the taste is not even bitter. It's, you know what's interesting? Even after, I don't know, close to from 15 to 20 seconds, this tea is not even the close to bitterness, you know. this is really interesting because young Shen Puer, if you just take more time that it's needed, so it's terribly bitter, but this one is not. Yeah, it's good. It's interesting because the tea taste not even close to bitter like a green tea taste, you know. Sometimes when you buy the Yanko Shupoer, then from the first, I don't know, one or two brews, you see the just bitterness and yellow color, but in this one is not. Well, this is really strange and interesting for me. So the taste of this tea is kind of the fresh, you know, it's kind of the refreshing. It's not even close to the normal green tea as you like, because I try to compare it with green tea because it's most widespreading the type of the tea taste and tea. And you see how the leaves, the tea leaves look like. You see some of the sticks, but most of the tea leaves is not even broken. That the quality is kind of good enough. Yeah, it's not the completely whole leaves, but it's not broken to really small pieces. And we will see, maybe the second brew give us even more better taste. So you see now for the second brew, the color of this tea became more, I don't know, more yellow or green yellow. And you know, now maybe I just spent a little bit more time. It's became a little bit bitter, but it's okay. Now it's have the aftertaste is a little bitter, but I believe that this is because I spent a little bit more time that it should, because I try to show you how the tea leaves look like inside the water. But you know, this tea is not completely awfully bitter. So this is kind of the refreshing and bitter enough. But what I want to do now, I would just want to decrease the brewing time, you know, just to instantly make the third brew. And you see how this leaves looks. Some of the sticks, but not so much. And yeah, and good tea leaves. Yeah. So, and now I will do it just instantly, not even waiting additional time. Just do like this, and maybe it will give us good combination, but good from my taste, you know, because I can't even imagine what is better taste for you. You see that the color, yeah, that's okay. It's not so intensive like second one, but so now it's not sweet like the first one, but it's not absolutely bitter like it's not more bitter the second one, but it's kind of between the sweet and bitter, but maybe it's a little bit close to the really to the green tea, but it have the special taste. This is strange for me because I'm not a good specialist in the raw puer, and probably I start to feel some difference, you know. And my recommendation, you should try to, you know, the normal young Puer and the Puer from the ancient trees, and try to feel the difference, you know. Try to at least to find the difference. Maybe not the, maybe you can get it from the first time, but you know, you should try it. So thank you a lot for the watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and press like, and we will have more tea tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye.